In this video, I'm going to talk about how to encrypt a string using XOR instruction. Using XOR instruction, we can transform the char in a string into a new char or a new value. Here, this is an example. To encrypt a string, you need to choose a key. A key can be any value. So here, we define a constant key to be 239 and the buffer max size is 128. In the data segment, we have a buffer. This can be the message name, and this message is byte, and the size is buffer max plus 1. That's 128 plus 1. I initialize the string with 0. The buffer size will be double word to be buffer max. That's 128. In the coding segment, you're going to copy the buffer size into ECX. This is a loop counter. Then you start the index ESI register at 0. So in the loop, you're going to use ESI to use ESI as an index for the string array. So to encrypt the message, you have to XOR the message char with the key. Here, the example in this PowerPoint has a mistake. You're supposed to initialize your buffer here, like you put a string here. But however, and there's nothing here, and you start buffer XOR buffer with the key. This is nothing because you haven't initialized your buffer yet. So you're going to see in my Visual Studio example, I'm going to modify this example a little bit. Okay. So for each char, you need to XOR it with your chosen encryption key. And after that, you're going to increase your index ESI by 1, so you can move on to the next char in the string, buffer string. So this is a loop. This loop is going to repeat times defined by the loop counter. So using XOR instruction, you can encrypt a string. It's very useful whenever people want to transfer a string, secret message over the wire. They have to send using XOR to encrypt it, and after the receiver gets the received message, they can XOR it again to get the message back. So let me show you how we can do this in the Visual Studio example. Okay, I already did some coding here. I have a secret message. This is a secret. I choose the same key as 239. I don't need the buffer size. Actually, I'm going to define my own one. So this one is no use to me. Let me just disable it. In my coding segment, I do the same thing. Set a loop index, every index as 0 first. Then set up the loop counter to be size of message. So this is the keyword size of. It's going to tell the size of the message string. In the loop, I use XOR to encrypt the message here and increase the index by 1 each time. After the loop, I can print out my string, and these two lines allow you to set up and print the string on the screen. And this is printing a new line. Okay, let me run this code. Okay. You can see my message right now is not this is a secret. It's unrecognizable encrypted message. Okay, next I'm going to modify this code a little bit to show you how to XOR your encrypted code again and get your original message back. To encrypt or de-encrypt your code, you have to use another loop again. Let me copy this to start a new loop here, and so this one's going to be loop 2, so here change this to L2, and this one to be L2. To de-encrypt the message, I need to set up the same thing here, like I had to set up the index and also the loop counter for the second loop. Okay, so L2 is exactly the same thing as loop 1, but this is going to give me the original message back. Okay, so after the L2, I'm going to print out the message again, and this is going to show me the original message is going to be, this is a secret. And now you see the first one is encrypted in loop L1, and the second one I use SR again, I get my message back. So this is how people use SR once or twice to encrypt or de-encrypt a message. Thank you for watching.